Everybody, it's your girl Kim, and I'm back again. Back again with another video. I had to turn the camera a little bit, but I'm back again with another video. I've been waiting on this box forever. I ordered this one on the 21st of August, and it just recently got here. I don't know what was the hold up. I actually had to call them, and then they sent it out for some reason. I don't know what was going on with that box. But this is the soap sale, and this is the promotion for the free bundle, the Midnight Amber Glow bundle. So that's what that box is. But let's get into the soap first. Yes, let's open up this box, and I'm doing it this way, y'all, just because, why not? Don't forget to subscribe, click the thumbs up, leave your girl some comments. What's up to all my MVP riders? What's up to y'all? Thank you for always supporting me. I truly do appreciate it. Thank you for always watching anything and everything I post. I appreciate it. So let's get in this box, y'all. As y'all do see, let me turn it this way if I can. Hopefully this stuff gonna fall out. But okay, we'll figure it out. There we go. As y'all do see, I did grab the Leather and Brandy hand soap because that was a part of the sale, and I figured, I don't know, did I get these soaps? Yeah, I figured, what was the sale? $2 something is not a bad price for this soap. So I did grab that. Coffee and Whiskey, I grabbed that soap. Love this collection. This collection is amazing, y'all. So if you have the opportunity to get these soaps super cheap, why not get them? I'm not a huge fan of Bath and Body Works soap, but anytime I could get them super cheap, like $3, even though I want to pay under $3 for these soaps. As you do see, they are 5-ounce bars, but anytime I could get these soaps super cheap, I'll go ahead and get them, even though I feel like this is just basic soap to me. You know, for me, it doesn't really moisturize good. When I did use it, my body's still a little dry or ashy or whatever. I have to put on lotion. So yeah, this is not like my favorite soap. Also, I just noticed I end up getting Midnight Amber Glow soap as well. I just noticed it was sitting over there. So yeah, I decided to just go ahead and grab these, but my preferred soap comes from Marshall's or TJ Maxx. I love that Castle, I think it's called Castle Bell. I love that soap. I love that soap. It is so good. And then my other favorite soap is Zumbar soap. I love Zumbar soap. So good. Oh my goodness. It is so good. But they had the sale for like $3, so I decided to just get these just to try. Okay, my hand soaps. Oh, I got this free. I decided to get Autumn Drive free with rewards. Yes, got that. Scent notes is a wild raspberry, warm amber, vanilla, birch. So yeah, I really wanted to try this. Again, free with rewards. I know some of the fine fragrance mist is $17.50, but this one is $16.50. So if you want to try this and you have some rewards, you can go ahead and grab it. And I actually smell it from way back here. I do get that, the raspberry. Yeah, I most definitely get that raspberry. Vanilla birch. I don't really give vanilla birch, but to me, it's most definitely heavy on the raspberry. So if you are a raspberry fan, you love that raspberry scent, this one will be the one to grab. So yeah, grab that free with rewards. And then y'all know most of the time I try to grab my soaps in two. So I had to get this. I had to get this mahogany apple. I absolutely love, love, love mahogany apple candle. Oh my goodness. Love it. So when I seen that they came out with the soap, I had to try it. I had to try it. And I think it's going to be really, really good. Red mahogany wood, golden delicious apple, pink peppercorn. So yeah, I had to grab this, even though I don't need no more soaps, y'all. So I'm going to try my best to not buy as many soaps. Because I really, really, really need to use them up. Even though I only got like 2 of each. But I got tons of soap. Probably not as many as most people, but for me, it's a lot. I got a lot. So yeah, I did grab this one. The other 2 I got was, which I should have got this a long time ago, is Autumn S'mores. Oh my gosh, I really, really wanted this so bad. This Autumn S'mores. Crisp apple, gooey marshmallow, and cinnamon spice. Yes, so excited to have this. I'm gonna smell it, y'all. This is good. But I feel like I like that toasted one better. But again, I would have to use this to really, really see how it smells. But that toasted one, but that one, oh, it's so good. So good. I might grab more of that one, even though I just said I don't need no more soaps. But I just love anything with s'mores in it. I don't know. I don't know if it's just that gooiness of the marshmallow, or maybe it's the graham cracker. I don't know. But I love just about anything that has that s'mores note in it. It'd be so good to me. So I grabbed 2. And the last two I got, and I was just hoping and crossing my fingers that they did not cancel this order, is this Denim and Daisy. This soap is sold out everywhere in my area. And I didn't even think that it would be sold out, but it is. I love, love, love this scent. This scent is so good. And the body care is good. The fine fragrance mist is good. I need a candle. Please, Bath and Body Works, come out with a candle. Please. This is Sweet Daisy, Sun Soaked Denim, and Summer Citrus. So good. This is probably one of my top scents at Bath and Body Works. I love this. Now, y'all already know I love Honey Wildflower. I love that scent. And that's actually the candle I got going in the background. And that's actually my scent of the day is that Honey Wildflower. But this Denim and Daisy, it is so good. So I'm super happy to have this. If I could find more, I might grab more, because this is actually in the gel form. I need gel soaps. I don't really have a lot of gel soaps, and I use this in my main bathroom because of the soap dispenser I have. So I actually need more gel soaps. I got more than enough of the foam soap, but not enough of the gel soaps. So that was that. That was everything with this order. Okay, now for this box. And like I said, this is the box that they was doing the promotion with. The free bundle, which was the Midnight Amber Glow. That's what the bundle was. And it was a fine fragrance mist and the lotion. So yeah. So I grabbed a couple of items, not a whole lot, but just a couple. Because it was my birthday, I grabbed this soap. Another one. I decided to grab another coffee and whiskey soap because it was free. Why not? And here is the bundle. This is the bundle. This is the Midnight Amber Glow. The body cream. And then the fine fragrance mist. Yes. This is so good. I love this scent. And the scent notes is Amber, caramel, vanilla, bourbon. So yeah, this is good. But for me, the candle is just, I love the scent, but it just don't throw. It don't really throw good. I like it. I like it. If you love that vanilla, it's kind of giving me like that sweet whiskey vibe, or that, not really, it's, no, you know what it's giving me? Bonfire Bash. It's giving me that creamy vanilla, or that warm vanilla. That's the scent that I'm getting. This is good. I really like it. I don't really get like that latte part in it, but I most definitely get that amber and that vanilla bourbon note. I like this. This is so good. This is so good. And I just wish the candle threw a little bit better, but oh well with that. So yeah, I do recommend Midnight Amber Glow, especially if you love that. If you love Bonfire Bash, you will love this. It's right in that same family. So yeah, and I love, love, love the packaging. Yeah, I know I'm a package junkie. I hate to say it, but yeah, I am. I am. So yeah, I love the packaging. So I grabbed that free with a purchase, and I decided to go ahead and grab the last two items from that one Aromatherapy Collection. This is the Eucalyptus Sage. I skipped on it originally, but because they were doing that, I think it was $6.50 sale on Aromatherapy, I decided to just go ahead and grab the last two in that one collection with, well, the newest collection that dropped for the Aromatherapy. This was the last part of it. So I got the body wash and the oil mist. So the essential oil mist. So yeah, grab that. Actually, yes, you get that eucalyptus and that sage. This is actually really decent. This really decent. Most of the time the eucalyptus kind of take over. And because it take over, sometimes I kind of skip on things because I like eucalyptus, but I don't like it so much in my face. If I'm going to get eucalyptus, more than likely it's going to be the stress relief one. But I decided to try this. So yeah, grab that. Okay, last two items. Yes. I got these with rewards. Only thing I paid for, these were the only two things that I paid for, was the Aromatherapy. Everything else was free. Was that soap free too? Yeah, the soap was free because I got it with my birthday thing. So everything else was with rewards. So yes, I did get these free with rewards. Okay, for this Irie Cashmere Mist is Fresh Lakeside Air, Silver Musk, White Amber. And then I got Cozy Season, which is Soft Lavender, Golden Honey, Creamy Oak. I actually want to smell this one because of that honey note and the lavender. Yes, I was a little bit excited about this. I actually like this purple, even though I'm not a huge purple fan, but this lilac color is actually nice. This is actually nice. Soft scent. I get that lavender. What else is in here? Lavender, and it is slightly sweet. But I feel like the lavender is the top note in this. Is more lavender forward. So if you don't like lavender, you're probably not gonna like this. It's not necessarily honey forward. I do smell the honey. Yeah, I think this is spot on. It's nice. This is really, really nice. And the Irie, I don't know why it's so hard for me to say that word. Cashmere Mist. I can't even smell this one. Fresh Lakeside Air, Musk Amber. This one must be super, super soft because I guess smelling it after this one is just, I'm not really getting it. I'm not really getting it, y'all. Yeah, this one is really light in scent. So I'm gonna have to come back to this one. Yeah, I'm gonna have to come back. Dang, and I put that other stuff on. So this one must be like a super, super soft scent. Like powdery maybe. I don't know. Leave that down in the comments, y'all. Let me know, what do you think about this one? This Irie Cashmere. Let me know what your thoughts is about this one, because I could barely smell it. So it must be one of those powdery, soft, like cotton scent maybe. Or maybe I just been smelling too many fragrances, and that's probably why I can't smell this one. I don't even have no coffee in here, but my cup of coffee that I'm drinking. Yeah, this one has to be super, super light because I could barely smell it. So that was everything I got with that order. Like I said, I didn't get much. I just placed that order to get these free items. And I had to turn the light on, y'all. But yeah. And only paid for that, the aromatherapy. So that's everything with that order. And I think I paid like $20 maybe. I don't even know. Yeah, $21 for all of this stuff. That ain't bad. All this stuff was rewards. And the promo only paid for that. Plus shipping, of course. Shipping always gets you, but whatever. So the original price would have been like $13. Adding shipping, $21. My other receipt, and they didn't even send that. So I can't even tell you how much I spent on the other stuff. So all in all, I'm satisfied. I'm happy I finally got my order. I said I wasn't going to order any more body care because I really don't need it at all, because I got more than enough body care. So I'm kind of good on that. And that's going to be it. Don't forget to subscribe, click the thumbs up. Leave your girl some comments at the bottom. Let me know, what do you think about some of the items I got? I'm kind of curious about y'all thoughts on this one. Leave that down at the bottom. I really wasn't able to smell it because I guess it's just that soft. Or leave down in the comments, is this a no scented fragrance mist? Leave that down at the bottom, because I don't know. I don't smell nothing. I'm just saying. So yeah, let me know, what do y'all think about the cozy season. I like this one. Or the autumn drive. Raspberry. This one is just okay for me. And the midnight amber glow. That's good. That is so good. So yeah, leave down in the comments your thoughts on any of the items I just showed in this video. Leave that down at the bottom. Don't forget to subscribe, click the thumbs up, follow me on all of my social media platforms. Use or follow my hashtag KimbleLitWicks. And I'll see y'all in the next one. All right. Peace.